Hello to all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share my link. And please support my channel. I am here with a new topic, how to find chemical formula. Before this, you can watch my previous video, how to find valency. To know the chemical formula of any compound, you should first know what is valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an atom. How can you understand this concept? It has been already discussed in my previous video. Please follow my previous video. Here at atomic number, symbol and element. The first atomic number 1, it is represented with capital H and it is written as hydrogen. Second, 2, helium, He. Third, lithium, Li. Fourth, beryllium, Be. Fifth, boron, capital B. Sixth, carbon. 7, nitrogen. 8, oxygen. 9, fluorine. 10, neon. 11, sodium. 12, magnesium. 13, aluminium. 14, silicon. 15, phosphorus. 16, sulfur. 17, chlorine. 18, argon. 19, potassium, and 20, calcium. Now, atomic structure of an atom. There is a nucleus inside an atom which has proton and neutron. Proton is denoted with positive sign and neutron is neutral, while electron is revolving outside the nucleus. Now, there are 4 shells in the atomic structure: K shell, L shell, M shell, and N shell. Electronic distribution: hydrogen is having 1 electron, helium is having 2 electron, lithium is having 2 and 1, beryllium 2, 2, boron 2, 3, carbon 2, 4, nitrogen 2, 5, oxygen 2, 6, fluorine 2, 7, neon 2, 8, sodium 281, magnesium 282, aluminium 283, silicon 284, phosphorus 285, sulfur 286, chlorine 287, argon 288, potassium 2881, while calcium 2882. The outermost electron in its shell is called valency. Now, how to write a chemical formula of a compound? The first compound is sodium oxide. Sodium is represented with the symbol Na, and oxide it is represented with O. And the atomic number of sodium is 11 and electronic distribution 281. 1 is present in the outermost shell of the sodium. Hence, its valency will be represented as +1. While oxygen is having 8 electrons and its electronic distribution 2, 6. Hence, its valency will be represented as -2. Why -2? Because oxygen needs 2 more electrons to complete its octet, while sodium needs to lose 1 electron to complete its octet. +1. It is called having valency +1, which is known as cation, while oxygen is having valency -2, which is called anion. Now, sodium is having valency +1, oxygen is having valency -2. It will be interchanged, which is called crisscross method. Hence, sodium will get 2. The new chemical formula will be Na2O. Next one is aluminium chloride. Aluminium is represented with the symbol Al. Chloride is represented with the symbol Cl. Atomic number of aluminium is 13 and the distribution of electron is 283. Hence, its valency will be +3. Chlorine is having atomic number 17 and electronic distribution 287. Hence, its valency will be -1. Now aluminium is having valency +3, chlorine is having -1, and after the crisscross method a new chemical formula is found, which is AlCl3. Now sodium sulfide. Sodium is represented with Na. Sulfide, it is given in the NCERT book of class 9th, which is represented as S. Sulfide is represented as S -2, valency will be -2, and sodium is having valency +1. Hence, after the crisscross method, a new chemical formula will be obtained, Na2S. You can see here also sodium is having atomic number 11 and its electronic distribution 281, hence its valency will be +1, and sulfur is having atomic number 16 and its electronic distribution will be 286, hence valency will be -2. Now the next one is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium is represented with the symbol Mg and hydroxide is represented with the symbol OH as given in the NCERT book. Magnesium is having atomic number 12 and its electron distributions are 282, hence its valency will be +2, and hydroxide is having valency -1. It is given in the NCERT book of class 9. After the crisscross method, a new chemical formula is obtained, MgOH2. Now the next is calcium carbonate. Calcium is having atomic number 20 and electronic distribution is 2882, hence its valency will be +2, and carbonate is represented with the formula CO3 and its valency will be -2. Calcium is having valency +2. After the crisscross method, a new formula is obtained, that is CaCO3. Okay, hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please follow me, subscribe me and share my video and support my channel. Thank you very much.